Good morning, student. In a previous class, we have learned about the basic concept of algebra. Is it? What is the definition of algebraic expression? Constant, variables, coefficient. So, I hope you are understood the previous concept, and also we have completed the exercise 6.1 also. Is it? If you have any doubt in the previous class, you will ask to me. Okay, now I will move to the next one of the concept, addition of an algebraic expression. Addition of an algebraic expression. So, when we have add the algebraic expression, both term in the like term, then only we have add or subtract, is it? So, how can you add? We will see in the example, okay? Right. It has, we have solve the algebraic expression of addition in two methods. The first one is horizontal method, second one is vertical method or column method. Okay, horizontal method or column method. Okay, we have follow two types of method. Okay, types of method, have follow two types of methods. Okay, the first type is horizontal method. Horizontal method. Okay. And second one of that, vertical method or column method. Mostly we have used column method. Okay. So first we have applied the horizontal method. Apply in the given algebraic expression how to find out the sum of the given values. Sum of the given values. Okay. See example 4. Sum of 10x, 5x, minus 4x and 3x. Okay. So, 4 monomial terms are given, is it? So, single terms. All the terms in like terms. Okay. Same. What is the meaning of like terms? The same variable and same power. Okay, right. Solution. (10x). We have first to apply the horizontal method. Okay, so horizontal method means we have arranged the like variables in the horizontal line. And the horizontal line. So 10x plus addition. So we have used the plus symbol. 5x. The term is negative. So, minus 4x plus 3x plus 3x. Okay. Right. So, first add all the positive values. Add all the positive values. Okay. So, 10x plus 5x, 15x, or otherwise you will divide in suitable arrangement, your wishes. Okay. You can calculate directly, you will calculate and write direct. Otherwise, you will arrange some suitable arrangement. For example, here plus like this. Okay, because all the terms in like terms. Okay, so 10x plus 5x is 15x. Okay, here one is negative, another one is positive. So, the different signs will come. What we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. So, minus 4x plus 3x, we get minus x. So, here two different signs. What we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. Subtract 14. The greater number sign is also positive. So, answer is 14x. Okay. See another one of the example. Add 3x plus 7y. Okay. 6x minus 3y plus 6 and minus 5x plus 2y plus 7. Okay, add these three algebraic expressions. Solution. First write the first algebraic expression, 3x plus 7y. Add second one of that, 6x minus 3y plus 6 plus, and next one of that, minus 5x plus 2y plus 7. 2y plus 7. Now arrange the like terms. Like terms means the same variable and same power. Okay. So first algebraic expressions 3x. Second one of that 6x. Third one minus 5x. So arrange the like terms. 3x plus 6x minus 5x. Minus 5x. And next one of that plus 7y. Here from the second algebraic expression minus 3y. And third 2y. Okay. Plus arrange the constant terms. Now, from the first algebraic expression, it's not having the constant term. So from the second one 6. From the third expression 7. That's it. Now simplify. We have arranged the like terms in the horizontal line. Now calculate. Here 3x plus 6x. So what we get? 3 plus 6, 9x. So 9x. Here different sign. What we do? If you need, you will write one more step. Okay. So 3x plus 6x, 9x minus 5x. Here add the same term first. Okay. 7y plus 2y, 9y minus 3y. Here 6 plus 7, 13. Okay. Now simplify. What we get? 4x. Okay, different sign. Subtract and put the greater number sign. Here also subtract. What we get? Plus 6y plus 13. That's it. Okay, right. And move to the next one of the example. 6. Example 6. Add 6a plus b, 5a minus 2b and minus 3a minus b plus c. Okay. See. (6a) first term. Okay, first write all the terms, algebraic expressions, write in the addition symbol. Okay, minus 3a minus b plus c. Now arrange the like terms. From first expression 6a, from the second one 5a, and third one minus 3a. And next one, like terms, b minus 2b minus b. Okay, right. And the constant term in first two expression not having the constant term. Here one of the term is the c only there. Okay, c. Variable only there, not given the constant term. Okay, now arrange the like terms, simplify the calculation. 6a plus 5a, 11a minus 3a plus here b, both having the same sign. Okay, add and put the same sign. Add and put the same sign. Now simplify this value. What we get? 8a. The greater number sign is positive. Here subtract and put the greater number sign, so 2b plus c. So answer for this problem 28a minus 2b plus c. Now move to the next one of the example. Example 7. Okay, add 4x power 2 minus 5xy plus 3y squared, comma, minus 6x squared minus 4xy plus 2y squared and minus 3x squared minus 2xy minus 4y squared. Three algebraic expressions are given. We have to find out the sum of these three algebraic expression. Solution. Correct. Write the equation 6 minus 6x square minus 4. Right. Now calculate. So first arrange the terms, like terms. From the first equation 4x square and second equation is minus 6x square. From the third equation minus 3x power 2. Okay, and move to the next one plus these three terms having the negative sign. Okay, so we have to take outside. Okay, otherwise write minus 5xy minus 4xy, okay, and then minus 2xy, and next one of that like term plus 3y squared plus 2y squared minus 4y squared. Now simplify the like terms. 4x squared both having the same sign, so add and put the same sign, 9x squared, okay, plus here three terms having the negative sign, take outside. Okay, so add these three values, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 2 9 plus 2 11, 11xy, okay, plus here these two terms are same sign, so 3 plus 2 5, 5y squared minus 4y squared. Now simplify 5x, the greater sum number sign is minus, so minus 5x squared minus 11xy. Here the greater number sign is positive, subtract we get y squared. That's all. So answer is minus 5x squared minus 11xy plus y square. This is a horizontal method. Okay, so horizontally arrange all the like terms and simplify the given algebraic expression. Is called the horizontal method. And next to see the column method. Column method means we write the like terms in the column. Okay, that is a vertical. Okay, vertically we have arranged the like terms and then add them. Okay, that is called the column method. See the example. Minus 2a minus 2b minus 2c and then 4a plus 7b minus 9c minus 9c and one more expression 3a plus 5b plus 2c. Okay, now using the column method. Column method means we have arranged the like terms in a vertically or column. Both meaning are same. Okay, solution minus 2a minus 2b minus 2c and next one of the 4a plus 7b minus 9c. Write them vertically in the like terms. Okay, arrange the variables in a like terms in the order of vertical. Vertically we have arranged the like terms. Okay, so 9c 3a plus 5b plus 2c plus 2c. Now add these values. These are the same sign. What we do? Add and put the same sign. So minus 11c plus 2c, different sign. So 11c minus 2c, we get 9c. Okay, 9c. Positive or negative? Negative. Yes, the greater number sign is negative. Okay, right. And next one here, these two are the same sign. So add these two values. 12b minus plus 12b minus 2b, what we get? 10b. The greater number sign is positive, so 10b. Now simplify these values. 4 plus 3 7, 7a minus 2a 5a. The greater number sign is positive. So answer for this problem 5a plus 10b minus 9c. Okay, and next one of the example. Add 4x power 2 minus 5xy plus 3y squared. Come on. Minus 6x squared minus 4xy plus 2y squared, comma, minus 3x squared minus 2xy minus 4y squared. Okay, we arrange the given expression in column. Okay, so 4x squared minus 5xy plus 3y squared minus 6x squared minus 4xy plus 2y squared and minus 3x squared minus 2xy minus 4y squared. Now simplify. 2 plus 3 5, is it? 5y squared minus 4 we get plus 1y squared. Okay, here all the terms having the same sign. So add and put the same sign. So 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 2 11 minus here 4 plus here these two are the same sign. So minus 6 minus 3 minus 9 minus 9 plus 4 minus 5. So minus 5 x square minus 11 xy plus y square is the answer for this problem. And move to the example 10. I will directly write solution. Okay, the first term is 6a plus b and second term is 5a minus 2b. Okay, and third term is minus 3a minus b plus c. Here plus term is not given. Okay, so insert 0 in these places. Add this value c plus here plus b minus b will be cancelled. Okay, so minus 2b, these two terms will be cancelled. Okay, cancel means 0 minus 2b minus 2b. Add these two values 11a minus 3 8, so plus 8. That's it. And next one, example 11. If p is equal to x plus y plus z, okay, solution. P and Q values are given. Find P plus 2Q. P plus 2Q. So P value is X plus Y plus Z. Q value is 2X minus Y plus 3Z. Okay, we have find P plus 2Q. First we have find out the 2Q value. So 2 into, what is the value of Q? 2X minus Y plus 3Z. Multiply by each term. Okay, multiplicated each term by 2. 2 2s are 4X minus 2Y. 2 3s are 6Z. So the value of 2Q is equal to 4X minus 2Y plus 6Z. Have to find out P plus 2Q. What is the P value? X plus Y plus Z. Plus 2Q value is 4X minus 2Y plus 6Z. Now arrange the like terms. So X plus 4X, 5X. And next one, Y here minus 2Y. Here minus 2y. So subtract and put the greater number sign. So minus y. Here both having the same sign. So add and put the same sign. So 7 is it. Answer for this problem, P plus 2Q is equal to 5x minus y plus 7 is it. Now see the exercise 6.2. The first one, pick the like terms from the each group and add them. Okay, so first we have picked the like terms from the given algebraic expression. Exercise 6.2. Okay, the first one, first three problems homework A, B, C. I do the D problem. 2xy squared, comma 2y squared x, 3x squared y squared. Okay, pick the like term first. Okay, so what are the like terms here? 2xy squared, xy squared term is there. These two are the like terms, is it? Xy squared, xy squared. So pick them and each group add them, add these two values. Okay, sum of 2xy squared, 2y squared x is equal to 2xy squared plus 2y squared x equal to 4xy squared. That's it. Okay, and E problem, 4xy comma minus 5x squared y, comma minus 3xy, comma 2xy squared, 2xy squared. Okay, so what are the like terms here? Xy, here also xy term is there. Here x squared y, here xy squared. So these are the unlike terms. So sum of like terms is equal to 4xy minus 3xy. So different sign, what we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. So xy is the answer. And next one, F problem, 5abc squared, 8bc squared, comma minus 4abc squared, abc squared. So what are the like terms here? abc squared, here abc square only, a is not there. Okay, so these are all the like terms. So sum of like terms is equal to 5a b c squared plus minus 4ab c square. So different signs, subtract and put the greater number sign. So a b c squared is the answer. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, right. And move to the second one of the problem. Simplify the following. The first 4 of them is homework, and you see the second one. The first 4 problems are homework. Okay, now see the E problem. X squared, simplify. X squared minus y squared plus 3x squared minus 2y squared. Okay, so arrange the like terms. Okay, so x squared plus 3x squared minus y squared minus 2y squared. Simplify these values. Okay, simplify the following only given. Solution. Okay, so 4x square, these are the same sign, add and put the same sign. So minus 3y square, that's it. Okay, Amma. And next one, F problem, 3m plus 6n minus 6m minus 2n. So arrange the like terms. These are all the like terms, is it? And these two are the like terms. So first write the m term, 3m minus 6m plus 6n minus 2n. Minus 2n. Simplify this value, minus 3m. Simplify these two values, 6n minus 2n plus 4n. Okay, now move to the G problem. 8l minus 5l square minus 3l plus l square. So arrange the like terms. 8l minus 3l minus 5l square plus l square. Simplify 5l. So two different signs, subtract and put the greater number sign. 4l square. 4l square. And next one of that, H. 6y minus 3y square minus 7y plus y square. So arrange the like terms. Okay, your identification I will differently noted. Okay, so y 6y minus 7y, and next one of that minus 3y square plus y square. So different sign, subtract and put the greater number sign. So minus y. Here also different sign, subtract 2y square. The greater number sign is negative. So answer is minus y minus 2y, or you can return. So common y minus we have take outside. So y minus 2 y also you can write. Okay. And third problem fully homework, and fourth, the first 3 problems are homework. Now see the fourth D problem. Five x cube plus, so given the D problem is inorderly given the variable of the power. Okay, so we have to arrange in the descending order of the variable of the power. Okay, the first one is the highest power is 5x power 3, and second one of that minus 5x power 2, And next term 6 plus 6x plus 7. Okay, and second one of the equation 2x squared minus 9x minus 8. And third one of the equation 3x squared. This also we have arranged 3x power 3 minus 2x power 2 plus 4x and fourth one algebraic expression 3x power 3 minus x squared minus 9x is given. Okay, so first we have arranged in the decreasing order or ascending order or descending order. Now write in the column method. Write the column method. So arrange it. Now write in the column wise. First term 3x power 3 minus 5x power 2 plus 6x plus 7. Okay, and next one not having the first term x power 3 term, and next term 2x power 2. Okay, minus 9x minus 8. And third one of that 3x power 3 minus 2x squared plus 4x. Constant term is not there. And fourth one of the expression 3x power 3 minus x squared minus 9x plus 0. Constant term is not given. Add these four expressions. So here one is positive, one is negative. So subtract and put the greater number sign. So minus 1. Here 2 terms in negative, 2 terms in positive. So add the positive values and add the negative values after compare these two values. Okay, so 6 plus 4 10. 6 plus 4 10x. Negative values minus 9 plus 9 18 18x. So now we get the two different signs. So subtract and put the greater number sign. So minus 8x. Minus 8x. Next we have solved the same sign, the same method. Okay, minus 5x squared minus 2x squared. So minus 7x squared. These are all the, so 3 values in the negative. 3 values in negative, is it? Yes. So 3 values are negative and added with 1. So minus 8x. 3x squared minus 3x squared minus 5x squared minus 8x squared plus 2x squared, we get minus 6x squared. Minus 6x squared. And then add these values. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 5 11x power 3. That is the answer. Okay, now see the fifth problem. Fifth problem already explained in the example 11. Okay, so that's also homework. Now I will do the sixth problem. Fifth one is homework. If A is equal to A, B, C, 3 algebraic expressions given, have to find out, to find 2A plus 2B plus 2C. 2A plus 2B plus 2c. Okay, so 6 a is equal to 4x squared minus 6x plus 3. Now find out the value of 2a. So each term of a multiplied by 2. So 2 4s are 8, 8x squared minus 12x plus 6, and b 4 minus 4x squared minus 7x plus 5. Multiply by 2 each term of b. Okay, so 2 4x squared minus 7x plus 5. 2 4s are 8, 8x squared minus 14x plus 10. And then c is equal to 3x power 2 minus 8x plus 6. Okay, multiply each term by 2. So 2 into 3x squared minus 8x plus 6. 3x squared minus 8x plus 6 is equal to 2 3s are 6x squared minus 2 8s are 16, 16x plus 12. Now add the values of 2a plus 2b plus 2c. Two a plus 2b plus 2c is equal to, what is the value of 2a? 8x squared minus 12x plus 6 plus 8x squared minus 14x plus 10 plus 2c value is 6x squared minus 16x plus 12. Add the like variables. Okay, so add the values 8x squared plus 8x squared plus 6x squared. What we get? 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 6 22x squared. And next added these like terms. So all the terms having the negative sign, so add and put the same sign. So 12 plus 14 are plus 16, is it? 26 plus 16, yes. So 42x, add the constant term, all the terms in the positive. So 6 plus 10 16, 16 plus 12, 16 plus 12 28. So answer for this problem 22x squared here minus, wait, the first term in minus. Okay, so here minus sign, so this term will be cancelled. Here 6x squared. So answer for this problem 6x squared minus 42x plus 28. Okay, here first term is negative ma, so here minus. Okay, so minus into plus minus. Okay, I hope you are understood the today concept. So today we learn about the addition of algebraic expression. Which are the method we have followed? Horizontal method and column method. Okay, horizontal method means we have arranged the like terms in a horizontal line, and column method means we have arranged the like terms in a column. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt to me. Thank you, students.